My leg had turned to a pillar of stone. There was absolutely no bending, very little mobility. Pain level on a scale of 0 to 10 was 15 or 20. My name is Bonnie, and I'm a hard-working farm woman and proud of it. I had to have both knees replaced and one leg and knee rehabbed beautifully, and the other leg I've had nothing but problems ever since. I've seen many doctors and actually wasted a lot of time and money and been in severe pain. Besides being a farm woman who had outside chores to do, we do have 6 adult children and 12 grandchildren. It really prevented me from doing as many things for them and with them, and that broke my heart. And they talked about the scar tissue. A light came on that knowing that that was my major problem, I thought, aha, I finally have someone who can give me some help. I really appreciated the fact that I came in and was examined and was given what could be fixed, what might not be able to be fixed, and approximately how long it might take. It was totally unlike any other treatments and care that I've ever had. Throughout the course of my visits and my treatment, I was always informed and encouraged as to what actually was going on. The encouragement and information that was given really helped me through the progress, because at times it was very slow because of the severity of the problems, the numerous problems that I had with my knee and leg. The kindness and compassion and the encouragement that I was shown, I have never received from anyone. I am very ambulatory, virtually painless, albeit unless I'm doing too much. I've achieved a great deal, much more than I had ever imagined.